What's up, court nerds? Time to get served. It's your boy Phil coming at you with another fresh clip. Let me ask you a question. What do you get when you cross Judge Webster and a defendant who doesn't take responsibility for her own actions ever? Well, let me tell you, it doesn't mix at all. Stick around, watch it, and you'll see. Let's roll, nerds.
State of Kansas versus Tanisha Dawn Golden. This is one more hearing in a long line of payer appears.
Judge,
Yes.
so she called me earlier. She tried to get online to pay, and she said she was owing like $858. So I need to check. 958. I need to check with the clerk. It says it's in collections. So I don't know if collections would add that much to it.
Well, reinstatement fees are probably, how much are they now? 120 or 220 per charge? And then she probably has a failure to appear judgment on a bond.
Well, and yeah, if it went to collections, that becomes a 40% tack on by statute. That's what the state does. It's not what we've done. That's just what the state does.
But I just wonder if, that could add up pretty.
That sounds.
Because I have the 158 that we talked about. What was it the other day?
That sounds way too high. Even 40% plus some reinstate, that still doesn't get to $800. There's no way.
Well, and it couldn't be the bond because those were $1,500.
There's one charge on there that it's like from 20 something, and then there's the $158 I owe Greenwood County right under it, but it won't let me click that box. It's like in gray.
Oh, so that's with other counties, and that's not just.
Yeah, that's not mine. Yeah, but
Well,
your guys, it won't let me pay it.
All right.
I guess I would suggest this then, Judge. You just send a money order in and not try to pay online. Could you do that? Then you're just paying Greenwood County. We can satisfy you, or we'll be satisfied.
I was just trying to pay it by 11 today. That's all.
Okay, let's do that. Well, can you pay it in person by 11?
No, man. No, I live 5 hours away from there.
Well, I tell you what, Ms. Golden, your track record here is just horrific.
I mean, I don't have a license. You guys are 5 hours away.
This has been going on since like 2020.
2020.
You've had failures to appear, and let's see, your sentence was clear back May of 21. That's when you were ordered to pay $158. Was May 18th of 21.
I'm not saying I can't pay it. I can pay it right now if I have a card. I tried to pay it today. I'm not trying to get out of paying it, but I can't drive 5 hours away when I don't have a license either.
And you've had, I don't know how many payer appears, maybe 10 or more. I don't know. We've got to do something. I mean, I am willing to take this out of collections and order you to pay the money directly to the clerk, but frankly, I don't trust you. I mean, I'm just going to be blunt with you. Your track record just makes me think I can't trust you.
Well, I don't get it though. I'm trying to pay the money at 158. Like I have it on the card right now.
But you waited until now to try to pay it today.
That's because I got paid last night and I worked till 7 p.m.
So what are you proposing I do?
I have no idea. I have the money. I want to pay it. I've been
trying to get $158 out of you for 2 years now. And you haven't paid a dime. Just tell me how you're going to take care of this. What are you going to do?
I tried to pay it online. It's in
collections. I heard that. I want to know what you're going to do now. What are you going to do now to get that money here?
All I can do is a money order. Other than that, I can't drive 5 hours. That's unfeasible for somebody with no license. I have a suspended license, not just no license. It's suspended license.
Well, you're charged with possession of marijuana. You're not charged with a license violation. But if your license is violated somewhere else, I don't want you driving with an illegal license either. Okay, let's set this over for 2 weeks. And if that's not paid, I may just issue a warrant for your arrest because this has gone on and
So
not let you have.
how do I go about paying it though, if it's in
Put it in
collection?
the
Do I
mail.
call collection?
Put it in the mail. Put it in the mail to the
Okay.
clerk. Missy, give her the title and if you would please, and the address.
Clerk of the district court.
You can think of. There we go. Okay.
Okay.
What case
Clerk
is
of-
this again, Your Honor?
Paul, you may not have this because I think she had a first appearance on Tuesday.
Okay,
Yeah.
I was gonna say. I'm
Tanisha
looking-
Golden, 20
Oh,
CR 159.
2020 CR 1.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a CR case too.
20 CR 159.
Right, possession of marijuana. Let me see if she had paraphernalia too. I mean, she had it, but I'm not sure if she pled to it. I don't think she did. I mean, we've given her so many breaks in this case. Yeah, she pled guilty to count 1 marijuana on May 18th of 21. I'd set it for trial. I got so frustrated trying to get her here. We dismissed count 2, the paraphernalia. We didn't give her a fine. We gave her 120 days. We waived attorney fees. All she had was the $158 court costs. That's all she had to pay. And we set it for May 18th of 21 for pay or appear. And I mean, this goes on. And with everybody in the shortest time, I won't keep going with it. But
Your Honor, and I take it she previously would counsel on the record. Or probably maybe even an executed document at that time.
defendant with RP. Who's RP?
Richard Paul.
Oh, gotcha.
She was in custody in Arizona for a while, so she had some trouble out of state.
Are you kidding me? You break the law, you don't take care of your bills, you don't take care of your responsibilities, you don't take care of your fines, you don't take care of your costs, you don't take care of anything, and then you have the audacity to blame the court? Give me a break.
Ms. Golden, you surely can understand why I can't believe what you tell me just at face value, but I'll give you one last chance. Looks like you were arrested in Russell County.
I don't
What?
get what my prior stuff has any. I'm trying to pay this. Like my other stuff, if you're just trying to shame me about the other stuff I have going on, like that's not okay.
I'm trying to show that you're just not taking this seriously. You've violated your probation by not only not paying, but getting new charges. I only asked you to do 2 things: pay and don't violate any laws. And now I see where you've been arrested several different times. That is relevant. That is relevant. It's a violation of your probation. And I suggest you don't get mouthy with me or get an attitude, because I'm trying to work with you here. You have just made it so difficult.
So what day are we setting this on?
Missy's going to give me a date.
May 12th at 11. And the address to mail the money order to is 311 North Main Street, Eureka, 67045.
Okay.
All right. So please get that paid and you won't have to see me again.
Yeah.
If you don't have that paid, we're going to have to talk about how you violated the law repeatedly and not paid, et cetera. Okay. All right. I think you've got it now. So thank you, Ms. Golden. You may go at this time. And we'll now be on the record in 2022 TR 491, State of Kansas versus Corey Boyd.
Well, I told you this wouldn't mix well. Judge even gave her another chance after all that garbage spewing out of her mouth. And I'm telling you, she's going to issue that warrant if she doesn't pay up, which I have a feeling she ain't going to. I just don't get people sometimes at all. I'm Phil, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and set your notifications to all. And you've been served.